Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So this is our reading for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Bale, take only what resonates, guys. Kasi actually, hindi talaga ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Alam nyo na yan, no? Dahil hindi naman talaga ito personal reading. Pero kung makaka-relate ka, makaka-resonate ka, maaaring yung messages para sa'yo, ha? So, kunin mo lang yung mga magre-resonate sa'yo. Wait lang, guys, ha? Inaayos ko lang ang aking um, cable ng wire. Anyway, this is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgo. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please do subscribe. And, ay wait lang guys. Ay, ano lang ha, i-pause ko lang to saglit. And mag-cleansing lang ako saglit bago ako mag-start kasi nakalimutan ko pala mag-cleanse, no? Ito yung pinakaunang reading ko, so wait lang. Okay. Sorry about that. So, ito na. This is Palo Santo, by the way, ha. Ito yung aking pinauusok ngayon. This is for cleansing. Ayan. Matanggal yung mga negative energy or whatsoever. Okay. So, anyway, start na natin. This is for Virgos. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Okay. Shuffle ko lang, guys. For Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter Virgos, please. Sana ba tayong aking kandila? Sana makuha ko energy mo, ha? For Virgos, please. Hindi ko to kukunin masyadong marami. Messages for Virgos. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Knight of Swords and the Moon. Okay? Wait lang, guys. One more card. And isa pa. Nine of Swords. Okay. So, nakikita natin that there is someone here or something here na might be nag-end sa buhay mo ngayon. And I feel like this is like a big problem. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, this could be a person na nakakaranas ng matinding kalungkutan with the Nine of Swords dahil sa ending na nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. And I feel like with the Knight of Swords, pwedeng may pag-alis, may paglayo na ginagawa or nangyari dito sa person na to. But with the Moon, this person is guilty of something. Nakikita natin, guilty siya. This person is feeling a lot of emotions. Nakikita natin na may mga taong kumakausap din sa kanya and then mas lalo pang nakakapagpag-guilty or nakakapagpalungkot sa kanya yon na instead na matuwa siya dun sa mga yon. Yeah, I can see, by the way, I can see the death card. I don't know, that could be an Scorpio energy. Basta ang nakikita ko ngayon, nagpapakita sa aking visualizations is like, what do you call this? Parang ano siya yung laging hawak ng ni kamatayan, you know. It's yung ano siya, parang sword. I mean, I don't know what it's called, okay? Hindi siya sword, pero yung laging hawak ni kamatayan. Yung nakaganon na ano, na knife or what. So, yun yung nakikita ko ngayon and it signifies death. It signifies death. So, it means an ending of something na might be guilty itong taong ito sa nangyayaring ending ngayon. Tell me more. I feel like this is, for some of you, this is your energy with the Four of Pentacles. You're focusing, you're being grounded right now. So, pwedeng, kung nasaan ka ngayon, tinatry mong i-handle lahat ng mga bagay-bagay sa paligid mo. And that you are, yeah, the Death card is here. The Death card is here. Nagpakita nga si Death card, no? Pero for what I can see here, the Death card followed by the Empress, kung may ending man na nangyayari ngayon, it benefits you. Nagbe-benefit sa'yo to. Lalo na sa future, magbe-benefit sa future mo ito. Might be hindi sa ngayon dahil hindi mo pa nararamdaman, pero in the future, mas nakikita natin, mas makakaipon. Yung iba sa inyo with the Four of Pentacles, in the future, mas nakikita na natin na may mga plano with the Two of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, kung ano man yung ending na nangyayari ngayon with the Tower. Nakikita natin na magagawa mo yung best mo, mas mai-improve mo yung, we do have here the High Priestess. This is like your energy. At the bottom of the deck, mas mai-improve mo yung iyong knowledge, magagamit mo yung lakas ng pakiramdam mo to make a decision. Okay? So, yeah, regarding this new beginning, now you are the Emperor here and the Empress, so nakikita natin might be ikaw yung masusunod, ikaw ang nasusunod, ikaw ang masusunod in the future, and nakikita natin kung ano man yung mga challenges, problema na yan. We do have here the Lovers. You have the right people in front of you para tulungan ka, maging partner mo, parang ganyan. They are there to help you. If you are feeling down or with the Three of Swords, nalulungkot, nasasaktan, regarding dito, I can see advice here with the Queen of Wands, natutulong sa'yo kung paano mas mag-grow ka pa as a person. Okay? So, ang daming messages doon. Kumbaga, hindi ka nag-iisa. May mga tao sa paligid mong mauunawaan ka nila, maririnig, mag-a-advise din sila, no? Parang to help you sa mga pinagdadaanan mo na yan ngayon. And I feel like, sabi ko nga, kung ano man itong ending na ito, mas nagbe-benefit dito ay ikaw. Okay? So, this person is really in pain, by the way. Sobra siya nasasaktan. Let's clarify all of this. What's with the moon? The moon is clarified by the Seven of Wands, the Lovers, and the Nine of Wands. Yan, I feel like this person, nakikita natin ang very challenging para sa kanya is, I feel like, emotions, no? There's someone here na parang nakikita natin na ang problem niya is maybe another relationship. Apektado siya sa relasyon noong relationship na yon. Okay? Nakakita tayo ng pag-aaway or pagkakagulo pati doon sa mga tao sa paligid niya kasi because of this. Because of maybe another relationship. For some of you, may kinalaman sa love yon. Yung iba, walang kinalaman sa love. Pero ang nakikita natin doon, kung walang kinalaman sa love, this person is acting childish. This person is acting like the Page of Swords, very immature. Ayan. So, yung person na ito, pwedeng kaya nagkakaproblema kasi masyado siyang immature pagdating sa emosyon niya. Okay? What's with the Knight of Swords? Clarify the Knight of Swords. Ayan. So, lalo na with the Knight, pinagsama pa ang Knight of Swords at Page of Swords. So, nakakita tayo ng mga biglaang action. This is like matapang na energy pero hindi masyadong pinag-isipan. Basta-basta umaksyon na hindi masyadong inisip kung ano magiging kahihinatnan. Okay? Lalo na with the Page of Cups. Ayan, at the bottom of the deck, this is an emotional immaturity na nakikita natin dito. Lalo na with the Page of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Masyado siyang naging immature. So, let's clarify the Ten of Swords. I will not take this. Ten of Swords, please. Clarify the Ten of Swords, please. Ito, marami na naman ang lumabas. But I feel like this is the problem, or this is the main, or this is the advice na kailangan mo, pero so I should take this. We do over the Chariot. So, yung ending na nakikita natin dito, we do over the Chariot, nakikita natin yung paglayo, pag-iwas. But sabi ko nga, 'di ba, kung lalayo or iiwas or matatapos man ang connection mo with this person, sabi ko mas magbe-benefit sa iyo. Why? Kasi with the Nine of Pentacles, nakikita natin na kung lalayo itong taong ito, ay may mga tao na mas makakatulong sa iyo para ma-achieve mo yung pangarap mo, yung plano mo, yung mga, this is success for you. This is success for you. And mas ma-achieve mo yan dahil sa new beginnings na ito. You do have here the Hierophant. Hindi mo naman talaga actually kailangan ito itong person na, we do have here the Hierophant. Maybe kung ano man yung mission niya sa buhay mo, tapos na yon. Kung ano man yung naging mission niya sa buhay mo, tapos na yon. So kung aalisin siya sa buhay mo or aalis siya sa buhay mo, okay na. You have learned a lot. Okay? Ang nangyari pa nga, ikaw ang nag-benefit sa kanya. Okay? And tapos na kung ano yung mga kailangan niyang maibigay or maipakita sa'yo or maitulong sa'yo. So, tapos na yon. You know what I mean? So, parang natutunan mo na or nabasa mo na yung libro. Parang ganun. Parang sa pagdating niya sa buhay mo, parang may mga natutunan ka sa kanya. Nabasa mo yung mga libro na mula sa kanya na parang binibigay ko lang yun na example. Hindi ko sinabing nagbasa ka ng libro or what. Pero it's like a story na parang alam mo na kung anong dapat gawin. Kumbaga kung anong mga dapat mo natutunan mo sa kanya. So, kung malis man siya sa buhay mo, okay lang. Okay lang. Okay? Siya pa nga nakikita natin ang mga problema. Dito. The Five of Pentacles. This is money problems. This is like being unwelcome. Okay? So, kung halis siya, problema lang ang dadating sa kanya. Okay, let's clarify this. What's with the... Palaki ng palaki actually eh. Kung ano yung lumalaki sa... Ito with the Five of Pentacles. Kung ano yung lumalaki sa kanya. Kasi the number 3 actually sa numerology, that's growth. That's growth. Okay? And eto, so makikita mo dito, it's number 5. It's big change. The number 5 is big change. Pero it's like, kung makikita mo parang pulubi. And that's a problem. That's stressful energy. Mafe-feeling niya yung unwelcome na energy. At kung ano yung nag-grow sa kanya, problema. Stress, kalungkutan, sakit. We do have here the 3 of Swords. Sakit ng puso. Okay. And then ito, may kinalaman ito sa this is like the 4 of Pentacles. May kinalaman ito sa ipon. Yan. And we do have here the Temperance, 3 of Wands, and 8 of Cups, 2 of Cups. Yan. So, nakakita din tayo ng personal problem na lumalaki sa kanya dahil naapektuhan ang inipon niya. So, personal problem or connection niya sa iba. And tell me more about this. I would like to get another card. For this, please. What's with the 3 of Swords? What's with the 3 of Pentacles and the 5 of Pentacles? Please tell me. Self-indulgence. Ayan. Actually, ngayon, ang mas tinitignan niya kasi is yung sarili niya. Mas nakikita natin na mas, kung ano yung, this person is like, engagement ring is here. So, this person has a lot of emotions and feelings for you. So, nandun yung care at pagmamahal at pag-care or pagpapahalaga sa iyo nitong person na to. Pero masyado niyang finocus ang sarili niya. Masyado siyang naging mapagmataas or mataas ang ego, that kind of energy. Yeah, pero ang sinasaktan niya lang dito, stab in the back and the healthy choices is yung sarili niya. Dahil the more na lumalayo siya sa'yo, the more na hindi siya nagiging masaya. You could be dealing with the twin flame. Yeah, the wedding rings is here. So, there's a lot of changes na nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. And anong gusto niya sabihin sa'yo? By the way, yung iba walang kinalaman sa love ito. Pero yung iba meron. So, anong gusto niya sabihin sa'yo? Spirit guides, angel guides. For our Virgos. Nakakita ko ng mamugtong mata, by the way. So, this person could be crying over you. Ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. I remember every detail of that day. So, naalala niya kung ano yung mga ginawa niya, sinabi niya, or kung ano man nangyari sa inyong dalawa. And I am afraid to contact you. So, nahihiya siya, natatakot siya makipag-connect, communicate, and maybe may mga na-realize siya doon sa mga ginawa niya. And I feel like this person is really feeling down. Na-realize niya and nasasaktan siya, nalulungkot siya dahil parang may mga ginawa siya na dapat hindi niya ginawa. Okay, and at the bottom of the deck, my life is not together as it seems. Okay? So, hindi talaga siya okay sa buhay niya ngayon. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, the more na lumalayo siya sa'yo, ay the more na nahihirapan siya. Dahil the more na nahihirapan ang buhay niya. And, I look for you everywhere. So, I feel like kung sino man itong taong umalis sa buhay mo, definitely naghahanap din siya ng iba. Naghahanap din siya ng someone na kayang palitan ka or what. Okay? I feel like this person is trying its best na palitan yung place mo or you know, this person wants forgiveness. I hope that you can forgive me one day. So, this person wants to tell you na kung ano man yung mga ginawa niya sa'yo, this person is really sorry doon sa ginawa niya. Sobrang humihingi siya ng kapatawaran sa mga bagay na ginawa niya sa'yo. And this person is, nare-realize yung mga kamalian niya ngayon. Okay? So, ayan, we do have here, I feel you even though we are apart. So, yun nga, nararamdaman pa rin niya na although wala ka na, parang nandyan ka pa rin. So, parang ang hirap mo rin kamalimutan kasi sa totoo lang, marami kang memories na na-share or naibigay dito sa taong to at saka mahirap kang palitan. Ayan, I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. So, kahit pa paano, may mga natutunan din siya sa'yo spiritually or, yung mga pinaniniwalaan niya ngayon sa buhay niya, yun ay malaki ang naging ambag mo doon. So, kahit paano itong person na ito, kahit paano itong person na ito is grateful na nakilala ka niya. Okay? Nakilala niya or pumasok ka sa buhay niya dahil kung ano yung mga pinaniniwalaan niya ngayon ay malaki ang naging parte mo doon. Ayan. So, yeah. Let's find out what would clarify naman itong Nine of Swords. What's with the Nine of Swords, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides? Okay, you do have here the Six of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Five of Wands. So, I don't know kung nagkaroon ba ng pagkaaway sa inyong dalawa with the Five of Wands. Possible na may ganon. With the Seven of Pentacles, this person is like, nawalan siya ng excuse me, nung nagkaaway sa inyong dalawa, wait lang guys. I don't know, parang labas ng lagas yung air sa akin, So, parang burp ako ng burp. I don't know if you're full or what. Busog ka ba or katatapos mo lang kumain. This could be a reading. Seven of Pentacles is here. So, nakikita natin, this person is really sad. Kasi parang baliwala lang yung mga pinaghirapan niya eh. And feeling niya binigay niya lahat, ginawa niya lahat, But maybe there's this particular fight with the Five of Wands, kaya hindi nag-work out ito. Kaya ngayon namomroblema siya. Yan. So, what will happen in the near future for you? Alamin natin yan. I feel like I need to use another card or a different card. Ito, Dark Wood Tarot by Sasha Graham. Art by Abigail Larson. Wow. Actually, this is a very beautiful card. Pero madalang ko siyang gamitin. Kasi if you would look at the card, medyo green and dark. Green and dark. And, yeah. Anyway. I don't know. Naramdaman ko lang yung feeling that I should read this. So, hindi ko alam kung ang place mo ba ngayon is mas more or nasa green ka ba? Na, like, maybe dark green or something. Kasi talaga siya eh. Nakuha niya yung attention ko. So, anyway, maybe yung place mo kung nasaan ka ngayon is full of greens. What will happen in the future for the both of you? Two of Swords. There's a decision with the Five of Swords regarding dito sa nangyayari sa inyo. So, in the future, I can see a final decision that would change everything. with the Six of Wands. Ayan. There's a final decision. We do have here the World. And in the future, nakakita nga tayo, Queen of Cups and the Ace of Wands. Kanina ko pa naman sinasabi, nakikita natin that you would be more complete in the near future. If you're dealing with a twin flame, mas mahahanap mo ang sarili mo nang wala itong taong ito. And I can see a lot of new beginnings for you in the near future with the Ace of Wands. Queen of Cups, nakikita natin na magiging mas open ka pa sa opportunities and whatever is waiting for you. Kasi without this person actually, with the Six of Wands, I can see a lot of victory. Alam mo, naiiba ka sa lahat. Naiba ka sa lahat. Kaya yung palit-palit na sinasabi natin na yan, hindi ka madaling palitan. Hindi ka niya kayang palitan. Hindi ka niya mapapalitan. And with the Two of Swords, yeah, I can see a lot of decision making in the near future for you. Hindi ka kayang sirain ng kung sino man, no? Whether it's malapit na pamilya or malapit na kung sino man sa buhay mo, hindi ka nila kayang sirain. Dahil sila pa ang magigilty, no? Na kung sino man yung mga nakakakita sa'yo, nakakilala sa'yo, sila pa magigilty. Bakit ko sinabi yun? Bakit ko iniisip yun? Bakit ko ginawa yun? Because you do have your full. So, it's like, this is your energy. Wala kang pakialam sa kanila. And at the same time, maybe yung iba sa inyo, maybe malakas ang iyong sense of humor, madali kang, akala nila madali kang apakan, madali kang siraan, or whatever, madali kang awayan, but it's not, because sila lang ang magiging malungkot dito just in case susubukan nila. And we do have here the Justice card. You have the power. You have the power. And the Empress, wow, you have the power in the future. You have self-love here, no? Diba? So, part of you will be sad kasi kahit paano itong taong ito pa rin naman siya sa'yo. But, sometimes may mga bagay talagang kailangan i-let go tayo para mas mag-move forward tayo sa buhay natin. And maybe it includes this person para mas mag-improve ka ba sa buhay mo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.